Here we have the water test for the Sheaffer Blue cartridge that came with this Sheaffer pen I picked up at the DC Fountain Pen Show. I actually don't know what this pen is called. It was just in a sort of nondescript Sheaffer box. It has no particular name on it. It says Sheaffer around the edge. But it feels like an all aluminum sort of pen. It's got a great clip on it, a nice spring action to it, and I picked this up very cheaply. I want to say it was $5, maybe $10. It's got kind of a typical Sheaffer nib. It's got a bit of a rubberized grip. And it came with this blue ink cartridge that I will be showing the water test on today. See, it's one of these larger ink cartridges, not these short international guys, but a significantly longer one. And you can tell I've used it almost all up. I almost never use cartridges, but this one was pretty good, so I went ahead and used it. This cartridge comes with a blue ink that's kind of it's pretty unique, actually. It's got a little bit of a lavender almost, and you have it thin enough. And on this Rhodia paper, it really didn't stick hard enough to really show off its color, I think. It didn't really adhere to the paper, so it comes off a little bit light. I have no particular hopes of this being anything like water resistant, but I figured I'd try it out anyway, so here it goes. Drop some water on there. Give it a generous smattering. Oh, I got some on the text too, so I guess we'll see what happens when you write on the text. Alright, you can see it's releasing from the paper right there. This is a pretty good ink, though. It's a little bit runny. I find the Sheaffer inks are kind of weak. The only other one I've tried is a Script Brown, and that Script Brown is one of the worst inks I ever used. This one is, well, a little bit more of it stuck around than I thought it was going to, but I have a feeling that when that dries out overnight, it's going to be pretty much gone. So yeah, if you use this Sheaffer cartridge in these pens, don't count on it being water resistant, although I'm sure you weren't anyway. And if anybody has a name for this pen, or a model number or anything like that, please do let me know, because I am curious as to what that pen is. I like it a lot. Alright, have a good day. Goodbye.